Give you my heart.
Hi there, YouTubers. Today I'm coming to you guys with some beloved sauce with some scrimp, sausage, eggs, corn, and potatoes. I don't know if you guys can see it all, but I have it all. I also have my wooden spoon, and I do not have any paper towels, so let me go find it. Grab that right quick. So I'm supposed to be having company come over, so I'm gonna hurry up and do this. And plus, my sinus are acting up, so my nose is running really bad. So let's get started. Scrump. Oh my gosh. Bless this food in Jesus' name, amen. I'm gonna try sausage. Oh, you guys want a bite? Sorry. I got so many onions on the top. I try to make it a little bit more spicy this time, you know. So good. So good. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please, you guys. And also, y'all go check out Dave K ASMR. He's getting close to 1,000, so let's help him get there, you guys. He does some really great ASMRs. Be eating some really tasty looking food. Ooh, it's like a big old piece of ginger. Look at that. Wow. And potato. I dropped the potato. Fish it out. Guys, this is so good, really. This is so good. Like, this is my favorite thing to eat. You couldn't tell. But I love it more with the corn and potatoes and eggs. Oh, I'm trying to fish it up. Eat it with an egg. I will tell. Oh crap. Okay, there we go. Oh, that was a big piece of ginger. I can just taste all. Oh, guys. Pickled ginger. My ear is ringing. I mean, toothpick. Okay, it's gone now. Oh my gosh. I've been waiting for this meal for a while, you guys. My camera crooked. Hang up in there. Anyway, I'm trying to enjoy this while Winter is asleep. I don't know if I got too much light or what. Cause I got this background light, which y'all see. Oh, probably should be facing the other way, but it's over here. And then I got this light behind me. Might be too much, might not be too much light. I'm gonna give me another piece of potato. My house hasn't been quiet like this in a while. It's like I can hear myself think. It's nice. But soon as Sadie get out of school. All right, I'm back. My nose is running and crap. Let me move all of that. Oh, my nose is running so bad. Oh, I got an eggshell. Make sure that fall off. Oh crap! No, no. Okay. I was like, I definitely don't want that to fall off into. No, ask me why I'm doing it. If you watch me, you know I got a couple of issues. That's cool. These people get on my nerves when I was calling me with this bull crap. Talking about my credit card history. I don't even never own a credit card. I've never even owned a credit card. So how you gonna be telling me about that? I get on my nerves. I know they get on everybody's nerves. Oh my gosh. All these script. I put a whole onion in here. I feel like now my whole onion's gone. I really like this sauce, you guys. But sometimes I wonder if I was to taste the sauce in the package. Well, I don't like it as much as the one I make. Because let me tell you, I can't 100% remember or say that I used everything that she used in her sauce. I feel like sneezing, you guys. When I sneeze, it's crazy. A lot. I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not. Excuse me. Drink a lot of orange juice. It's like, I don't know if orange juice helps with sinuses, but I'll try anything right now that I know that will help for a cold. I don't know if that was safe for the sinus. The next thing I'm gonna try, we start turning it down. I'm gonna take some allergy meds. I'm scared to take the allergy meds because I'm scared I would fall asleep. I didn't cook that much sausage because I was like, I don't really want sausage, but now that I made the sausage. I'm enjoying that. Really good. Ooh. Yeah, I can't remember that shrimp. I was watching Netflix last night. And we was watching that one. You know? That movie. So that movie was Freaks. If you ain't seen that, go check it out on Netflix. It's pretty good. Pretty good. It's on the Netflix top 10. This is my last script. Oh wait, I almost got an onion up with that one. Trying to see if I can get an onion with it, you guys. Oh boy. There we go. Excuse me. No, I'm sorry. But guys, I am done. Oh yeah, no wonder. I was like, why is it not looking as good as it looked at first? I wouldn't either. Because the light wasn't on. I forgot about it because I was just was natural light behind me. But yep. I feel like crap. Well, I don't feel too bad, but my nose is feeling like crap. I don't want to be on camera feeling like this right now. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I don't know if I'll post this video before I post my other videos because, yeah, I don't know which ones I'm going to post first. But depending on what order you get it in, I know I got one talking about go and vote. And I think I got one after I voted. I think I did 2 videos in one day, or not. I don't remember. Nope, there wasn't that. Because one is I ate Chipotle. Another one is I ate Sonic. So, yeah. Okay.